It is possible to replace individual flat-facing bricks if they are damaged. For this purpose, a hot air gun is used. Adjust the hot air gun to a low setting, maximum 60 degrees, and heat the flat-facing bricks with a waving movement. After sufficient heating, carefully remove the flat-facing bricks with a painting scraper. Carefully scrape off any remains of the bonding mortar. The surrounding area should be protected with tape, and enough bonding mortar should be applied to the area of missing flat-facing bricks to embed a new flat-facing brick. The excess bonding mortar around the new Meldorfer is spread with a flat brush. With the Meldorfer flat-facing bricks, it is possible to repair the joints. Therefore, the facade should be cleaned first. Any loose pieces have to be removed. You can fill in the missing areas with the standard empty cartridges filled with bonding mortar and spread it with a brush. For the corner-facing bricks, you can also use the standard empty cartridges and fill the cavities in this area as well. Spread it also with a brush, and the facade is sealed.